As our fourth step, let's look at how we can do the same basic operations in the Grasshopper environment in Rhino. So we're going to start with a similar example to we used last time. We're going to define a series of points. We're going to kind of create a range and evaluate them and finally construct some points. Then we're going to go through and create a curve, like a NURBS curve or an interpolated curve. Then finally, we're going to divide that curve and place some elements like sphere elements on those curve points. Okay, so let's go through and take a look at what that looks like in the Grasshopper environment. So this should look familiar because it is essentially the same example as before. You have, we create the range of points, we create the evaluation function, then we go through and construct the points. Finally, we create a curve, and in this case, I'm going to use the NURBS curve. Okay, now we're ready to go through and divide that geometry, and to do that, we have a very simple function for you. It's just called divide. The divide curve function takes a curve and a count of a number of points. So you'll see there's 18 different division points in there. I can go through and adjust that. Change the number of points. And then to actually place some geometry, what I'm going to go through is just use the sphere node. It's going to create a spherical surface. It basically takes a base plane. In this case, we're using the points to kind of define a base plane. And we have a radius function, so we can go through and change the radiuses of the different spheres. Super. And this sort of illustrates one of the things people really like about the Rhino and Grasshopper environment. It's just very, very quick. So it's easy to go through and try flexing different things. Yeah, I'm going to say if we can have that change the function. I'll do that. Let's see, divide by 2. Okay, you just change things and you see it responds very, very quickly within the Rhino environment to kind of show you the results of those Grasshopper computations. Okay, super. So that's how you do an equivalent sort of operation to dividing a curve and placing some elements within the Grasshopper environment.